Hello, welcome back to my grade 10 math review number 3. This is again about analytic geometry. Let's look at this example. You can see three lines making a triangle. They have given the equations of the three lines. Red one, y equals x plus 3. Black one, this is the equation. Blue one, this is the equation. And the question is we have to find the coordinates of the points A, B and C. Let's find the point B first by using substitution. Now the equation of BC is this one, 2y plus 5x equals 26. Equation of AB is y equals x plus 3. So we can easily use the method of substitution. You can see the two equations. Here in place of y, we can put x plus 3 because at the point of intersection, both lines have the same y value for a given x value. So we can make the two y's equal to each other. So we can see here instead of y, 2y, 5x, 26, but only y has become x plus 3. After coming here, only thing we have to do is solve this simple equation. Open the bracket, 2x plus 6 plus 5x equals 26. 2x and 5x become 7x. If you take this 6 to the other side of the equal sign, become minus 6. Then we divide both sides by 7 and we get the x coordinate as up to 3 decimal points, 2.857. When we know the x value, we can put it back in one of these equations. I pick up the simplest one, y equals x plus 3, then we can find the corresponding y value. So now we know the point B. That means this point. We know the coordinates of this point B. After that, let's find the point A. See the point A. Again, we have to solve this equation, red one and the black one. But the equation given in black does not look very simple. There are numbers in the denominators. Therefore, first thing we do is we have to get rid of the numbers in the denominator. 3 and 7, we know the lowest common multiple is 21. Oh, 7 minus. In this case, 7 times 3 is 21. So we can multiply the whole equation, all the terms by 21. So 21 here, 21 here, 21 here. Then 3 and 21 cancels and give you 7, 7y. 21 and 7 give you, when you cancel, 3. So minus 3x and so on. And we take minus 3x to the other side. Now we know the other one, y equals x plus 3. So we can easily do the substitution too. In place of y, you can make x plus 3, but here I wanted to show you how to do it using elimination. When you do elimination, you have to take both y and x to one side. So x goes to the other side and become minus x. And we have to solve that one with this equation. But it has 7y in the front. This one doesn't have 7y. So we multiply this by 7. 7y, 7x, 21. But still I am not very happy about that. I wanted to multiply this equation by minus 1. So this become minus, this become plus, this become minus. Then I can easily add this one and this one to get it to eliminate y. So then y will cancel out. 7x plus 3x become 10x, and we can add these two numbers and we end up with the equation 10x equals minus 41 minus 21. Then divide both sides by 10, we get our answer as minus 6.3.00 actually. Then as before, we put that x value into this equation and get the corresponding y value. So our point A is this one. Finally, point C. To get the point C, we have to solve two equations. Our equation of BC in blue and equation of AC in black. Now we are using our modified equation with no numbers in the denominators. I am going to remove x in this case. I'm going to eliminate x. But here the coefficient is 5, here the coefficient is 3. So first of all, I multiply this equation all the terms by 3. This 3. Then it becomes 15x here. You multiply this equation by 5. Then it becomes 15x here. Then I multiply the second equation by minus 1 to make it minus 15x. Now one might think that I could have multiplied this by minus 5 directly and added. Or I could have done this and subtract this from this. But I have seen that when people find it harder to subtract. So I follow this procedure always. Make the coefficients equal to each other and then multiply one of this equation by minus 1 and get, in my next paper you will see, nothing will happen to this one, but this equation will make this one minus here. See, this equation is there. We multiplied that equation by minus 1, so this is our new equation now. Now we can safely add these two equations. X will cancel out. Add these two, divide both sides by minus 29, and you get the y value, and you can do the rest as an exercise. Put this y value in one of the previous equations and calculate your corresponding x value. So you get your point C as this one. So that was a good example to play with equations to find the points of this triangle made by these three lines. Thank you for watching.